Good morning, team. So it is 9:48 on a Saturday morning, and I'm excited because we're going to get going using Spark and also maybe some DoorDash throughout the day. This is the first time I've done mostly a full day with Spark kind of alone. We'll do a little bit of multi-apping here and there, but mostly Spark. I'm excited. Let's see how much money we can make. Let's go! Be out most of the day today, so I decided I needed to bring most of my checklist with me. So I've got a cord here, power cord. We're gonna go put $20 of gas in the car, and then we should be on the road going. Let's go hit it. Man, what a beautiful day to be outside. Whew, looks nice. Hope it stays that way all day. All right, team, so I'm headed to Walmart parking lot right now. I just turned on Spark from 10 to noon. At noon, we're gonna take a break and go grab some lunch. So let's give it a shot and see what we can make this morning session. Okay, the first order was 10:58 going 8.2 miles. We rejected that one. All right, I want you guys to know that that was on E when I started today. And now, after 20 bucks, we got half a tank. So what we're doing is measuring how far $20 gets us within a day. And I think that with Walmart Spark, you could turn a 20 on any given Saturday into 100 bucks, no problem. So it's still a little past 10, so I'm thinking that I might have missed my window for that like 9:45 station when, Spark starts to kick out orders. So we're not getting anything right now. So I opened up DoorDash and they did allow me to schedule it until 11 o'clock. So I'm gonna dash and Spark until then. If I don't get an order from DoorDash, I'll just wait until the next round for Spark. So we'll see if we get an order. All right, so we're doing a little multi-apping here. So I have until 11:45 to pick up a curbside pickup for $9 for 2 miles. But I got a DoorDash for $4.50 going 2 miles over at Mugshots. So I think what I'm gonna do real quick, it's like 11:32. I'm headed to Mugshots. I'm gonna pick up that order, deliver it, come back, and then come grab this curbside pickup. So it goes from like, just getting a $4 order to getting like a $13.50, $14. So let's give it a shot. Okay, so I got that DoorDash order delivered, and now I just got to Walmart and I selected my parking spot, and now we're waiting on 2 curbside pickups to take, and that'll give us another $9. It's only 2 miles, and then we'll come back again and try to get some more. Okay, so we made that first delivery, and the lady gave me a $20 tip. Good Lord. Now that's how you start a good day. All right, so let's talk about that delivery because this is really powerful. So we turn on DoorDash and Spark this morning, and we're going for a little bit of multi-apping, right? So I accept a DoorDash order that takes me about 2 miles for about $4.50. So not a really big deal, not a really big payout either. So I accept the DoorDash, I take the DoorDash, I deliver the DoorDash. I get $4.50 there. I make my way back to Walmart and I get a Spark for $9. It's a batched order, so I take 2 orders, both to 2 different locations, and I deliver that one for $9. So now I've earned, what, 10, 11, 12, 30, $13.50. On top of that, this old lady gives me a tip for $20 cash. So that whole order in that 45-minute time was what, $33.50? Yeah, powerful, $33 an hour. I was sitting here and I was thinking to myself, there's the $20 in gas I put in my car this morning already. Taking this next one, we got a curbside pickup for $19.83. So that'll put us, rather at 34, it'll put us at 44, about $54 for the day. Not too bad. All right, 3 deliveries here. First one we're taking right now. Let's do it. Okay, so now I'm delivering the 3rd of these batched orders, and this last order is like a 15-minute drive from the first 2. The first 2 were just super close together, but you know what? Hey, it is what it is. We'll go back and we'll try to get another order for this afternoon. Okay, so we just got a shopping order. This one is gonna be for $29, and it's only for a couple miles. I don't remember how many, but that'll put us probably around 84 bucks for the day. So I'm thinking this one won't take very long to finish. So we're gonna run into Walmart here, start shopping, get it done, and get out. Yeah. All right, right, not a horrible experience on that one, but it did take a long time to find those items, and then the address that the customer gave me in GPS did not work. And then she laughed at me on the phone when I said I was not anywhere near her home and then I needed a different address. And she said, well, you're gonna have to figure out where the house is and I'm gonna have to guide you. And I was like, obviously, lady, obviously. So we're gonna move on to the next order. And, you know, screw that lady. Yeah. All right, so I went ahead and turned on DoorDash too. So we're gonna have Spark and DoorDash. My shift had ended a lot earlier this afternoon for DoorDash. So now we'll be multi-apping through the evening, and I'm scheduled to go till like 8 or 9, something like that. So we'll get some more orders and we'll tally it up, I don't know, a couple hours from now. Cool. Okay, so I just accepted another curbside pickup with Walmart. This one is 16, going something like 10 miles. I'm pretty sure this one came back around like 2 or 3 times, and people just been like rejecting it. It started at like $10 for 10 miles. So 16, yeah, I'll take that. We're gonna do that one. Let's go pick it up. Good, how are you? Been there. One item, 20-minute wait. All right, just picked up that order from Walmart, curbside pickup, literally one item, and it's going like 10 miles. I'm delivering something for $16, over 16, and it's that. I mean, there are a lot of orders on here that a lot of folks just seem to not be taking. I tell you what, I'd probably be closer to 100 or over 100 had I taken a few more orders today with DoorDash and 1 or 2 of the $9 orders that I got with Spark earlier in the day. So lesson learned there. I think tomorrow I'm gonna come back out again, but I'm gonna start earlier. I started at 10 a.m. today. I need to start at like 7 in the morning to make that, you know, that bigger dollar amount during the day. Really excited because tomorrow will make up for what we're losing this afternoon. So my wife just messaged me and she's like, can we go to Southern Sweets and get a bubble cone for dinner? And I'm like, heck yeah, we could have sugar for dinner. I'm a big fan of when she calls and asks for something to eat, because that means I usually can talk.
Turn left onto Main Street.
I'm a big fan of when she calls and asks for something sweet, because that usually means I can talk her into a date night. So I think what I'm gonna do is take her to get some, like, a good sandwich at Sweet Peppers here. That's a great place to eat. And then we'll go get a bubble cone, which, if you don't know what that is, it's a waffle cone that's like made into bubbles with ice cream, which is really good. And then after that, we're gonna go see a new movie. I'm pretty sure the new Evil Dead just went into theaters, and if you're not a Bruce Campbell fan, well, then you're watching the wrong channel. That movie's a classic. I want to see the new Evil Dead movie. Maybe we'll get to do that tonight for a date night. Heck yeah. Scary movies, you know, pull the old finger around the shoulders trick. That's right, I'm smooth. All right, well, the wife just says that she's tired and she wants to do date night tomorrow night. I told her, I said, well, that just means I'm gonna make more money and you can go sit at home. Yeah, I'm driving over towards the Walmart, and I think I'll sit for a little bit longer, see if I can get one more order. That'll put us somewhere over 100 for the day, and I'll feel pretty good about it. Meanwhile, I've got DoorDash still going. So if I get an order of, you know, maybe $7 to $10 somewhere in there, I'll take that instead. Anyway, let's go over there and see if we can get one more. Man, it is dead over here. I had to get out and take a piss. All right, I'll tell you what, I'm gonna call it a night. I think we're gonna end it here. It's been a pretty good day. We got $95, a little over 95 for the day. Finished with a bunch of great orders from Walmart, 27, 29, 16, just larger orders from Spark. I only did one DoorDash order, so that's kind of cool. Had I done a few more, we'd probably be a little higher, but I just wasn't accepting a lot of those $4 or $5 orders. In the future, I think the greatest lesson learned from today is that had I taken like the $5 2-mile orders in between, I'd probably have an extra $20, $30 through multi-apping. So that's something we'll pay attention to tomorrow, those short little drives, and we'll look forward to making a little more money. Yeah, today was awesome, man. I'll see you guys tomorrow.